Hello everyone, myself Darshana Prahlada Amrute. I am PG student from Vidyabharati Mahavidyalaya, Amravati. Today I am here to present the seminar on mathematics and my seminar topic is Poisson's bracket. Introduction on Poisson's bracket. A Poisson bracket is a special type of relation between a pair of dynamical variables of a system. The Poisson bracket are used to construct a new integral of motion from known ones. Poisson brackets are found to be very useful tool in the field theory and quantum mechanics. Hamilton's canonical equation of motion can be expressed in terms of Poisson bracket. Poisson brackets are invariant under canonical transformation. Definition of Poisson bracket. Let u equal to u in bracket qi, pi, t and v equal to v in bracket qi, pi, t be two given dynamical variables which are function of two n variables pi, qi and time t. Then the Poisson bracket of u and v is defined as Poisson's bracket u, v all generalized coordinate qi, pi equal to del u, v upon del qi, pi. This equal to summation I equal to 1 to n del u upon del qi into del v upon del pi minus del u upon del pi into del v upon del qi. Or Poisson's bracket u, v q, p equal to del u, v upon del q, p. This equal to del u upon del q into del v upon del p minus del u upon del p into del v upon del p. Properties of Poisson's bracket. First, the Poisson bracket of any two dynamical variables is anticommutative, that is, Poisson's bracket u, v equal to minus Poisson's bracket v, u. Second, the Poisson bracket of a function with itself is 0, that is Poisson's bracket u, v equal to 0. Third, Poisson's bracket c into u, v equal to Poisson's bracket u, c into v equal to c into Poisson's bracket u, v, where c is constant. Fourth, the Poisson bracket satisfy the distributive property. First, Poisson's bracket u plus v, w equal to Poisson's bracket u, w plus Poisson's bracket v, w. Second, Poisson's bracket u, v into w equal to Poisson's bracket u, v into w plus v into Poisson's bracket u, w. Fifth, partial derivative of any Poisson bracket satisfies del upon del t into Poisson's bracket u, v equal to in bracket del u upon del t v plus u, del v upon del t. 6. Poisson's bracket pj, pk equal to Poisson's bracket qj, qk equal to 0. Second, Poisson's bracket u, qi equal to minus del u upon del pi. Third, Poisson's bracket u, pi equal to del u upon del qi. Fourth, Poisson's bracket qj, pk equal to del jk. First Poisson theorem. Statement: the total time rate of evolution of any dynamical variable u equal to u in bracket q, p, t is given by du upon dt equal to del u upon del t plus Poisson's bracket u, h. Proof: let u be a dynamical variable function of a generalized coordinates, momenta and time. That is u equal to q, p, t. Differentiate with respect to t, we get del u upon del t equal to del u upon del qi into del qi upon del t plus del u upon del qi into del pi upon del t plus del u upon del t. This equal to del u upon del qi into qi dot plus del u upon del pi into pi dot plus del u upon del t. This equal to del u upon del qi into del h upon del pi plus del u upon del pi into minus del h upon del qi plus del u upon del t. By Hamilton's equation, this equal to del u upon del qi into del h upon del pi minus del u upon del pi into del h upon del qi plus del u upon del t. Du upon dt equal to Poisson's bracket u comma h plus del u upon del t. Therefore, du upon dt equal to del u upon del t plus Poisson's bracket u comma h. Hence, proof. Thank you.